Cancellation of automatic extension of employment authorization documents. EID. Sabrina Pineda, reporter with Live News Today. Hundreds of thousands of immigrants in the United States are facing a change that could profoundly affect their job stability. As of October 30th, 2025, the federal government has eliminated the automatic extension for most employment authorization documents, known as EADs, which previously allowed workers to remain employed while their renewal was being processed. Starting from this date, those who apply to renew their EAD will no longer receive an automatic extension of up to 540 days. The only exceptions apply to categories protected by law or through Federal Register notifications, such as certain cases related to temporary protected status or TPS. For most people, this means they will have to wait for final approval of the new permit before they can continue working. Federal agencies, including USCIS and the Department of Homeland Security, argue that the measure aims to strengthen security controls, improve background checks, and reduce fraud. However, immigrant advocacy organizations warn that the impact will fall directly on families who have complied with all the rules, but who could be temporarily left without work due to administrative delays. Those most affected include H-4 spouses of H-1B workers, asylum seekers, and people in the process of obtaining permanent residency. Even a short interruption can result in loss of income, health insurance, and housing stability. Experts recommend submitting the renewal up to 180 days before expiration, keeping all documentation sent to USCIS, discussing possible scenarios with employers, and seeking legal advice to identify applicable exceptions. This change adds pressure to an already overwhelmed immigration system, leaving thousands of families in uncertainty as they wait for an approval that now determines whether or not they can continue working. For the full article, go to lifenewstoday.com.